comp123. My name is Woo Ranmun. My student ID is 3010988673, and also my course code is 001, and course name is comp123. Before I can see this, let me introduce this. I'm just using the Welcome to the comp123. My name is Woo Ranmun, and my student ID is 3010988673. My course code is 001, and my course name is comp123 for this C#. And I'm using this OBS Studio for this YouTube recording. Everyone can see for this my YouTube when you have this my link. So let's start it. Before I can start this, let me introduce this Visual Studio. I introduced my classes. I have these 5 classes. There is interface classes, and there is 4 classes: Lottery and Lot Game and Lot Max and Program CL. Let's see my code. My code is first is a Lot Game. There is 5 is a field, is element list and a number list and a random and set size. And also the list is when I using this list is a get set, and then number list and then random get and set is a get set. The return is this set size and set size this value. And I introduced this also is an initialize function. Initialize method will is installating new object for this private field. So number list and element list and random. So I'm just number list, and then initialize is a new, and then number list 2, and random is a function is a new, is a random for the initialize it. Also the build method will add integer is a return from the 1 to set size. So I'm using this for loop, and because it's I don't know, this 1 to maybe 46 and 1 to 49, that's why I'm using the set size. So int I dot 0 and I less than set size and I plus plus number list and add in I plus 1. Why do I plus 1? Because it's I'm not showing this when there is output, and I'm not showing this 0, so I'm using this I plus 1 for this start is 1, so 1 to 46 and 1 to 49, that's why I'm using this 1 I plus 1. So let's see it's pick element. Pick element is there is support is to this lottery is randomly numbers. So the random number is when there is a 6 random number, so I'm using this there is when I'm using this pick element method, and I'm using this randomly number. So let's start is element number count is greater than 0, because it's element is list is a list. So this count is there is maybe there is 0 is greater than 0, and number list, and then both is list is number list and then element list in the clear. And also there is a build method we call. For the method we call to the reveal to the number list with the original values. So I'm using this randomly functions to the select and remove number. So another is pick element is the add number. Is I'm using this for loop because it's a random number, and I'm using this new parameter is a rotary, and random is next. When it's finished loop, and then again to go back, and then next, and then next, and then there is it, and add it, and then remove with over with. I also using this ascending is a sort. So when I see there is the lot max is there is an abstract class, and there is interface class. What is the interface class? Interface class is see there is I'm just declare this generate lot numbers from this lot max, and then from the lot 649. What is this generate lot numbers? When I see this showing this record TK is 1 2 3 4 5 6, that's why I'm using this for loop, and there is functions, and there is from this abstract class the load game, and there is console write line, and it takes 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there is a 2 string for this randomly 6 number. Can see it. It's same as the 649 and an abstract and an interface, and there is the generate number, and then for loop, and then there is also is declare this from this abstract function and console write right. So let's start is press is make a selection. I press 1. There is one is 1 2 3 5 6, and 6 is the letter, and also is press 2, and 10 is a 6 number. Press enter and press 3. That's it. Welcome. Thanks for this. This is my recording of my programming for this midterm test, and then I stop